Experiencing SOS only on your T-Mobile phone means you can only make emergency calls, losing regular call, text, and data service. This mode activates when your device cannot connect to T-Mobile's cellular network for standard services. As of March 2026, this issue, while less frequent, still affects some users in the United States. Here's what the SOS only screen typically looks like on devices like the iPhone. The issue often occurs in areas with varying network coverage, as shown in this T-Mobile coverage map. This video will help you understand why this happens and how to fix it. SOS only mode typically arises from three main reasons. Network coverage gaps, especially in rural areas where T-Mobile's 600 MHz band struggles with signal penetration, SIM card glitches or incompatibilities with your phone, and problems with automatic network switching or roaming onto other carriers like Verizon. Let's start with the simplest fixes for T-Mobile's SOS only mode. First, toggle airplane mode on and off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network and can resolve temporary connection glitches. Next, forget your Wi-Fi networks and then reconnect. This refreshes your network settings and clears any cached connection issues that might be interfering with cellular service. These basic troubleshooting steps often resolve temporary connection issues causing SOS only mode. Software updates are crucial for maintaining compatibility between your phone and T-Mobile's network. Keep your operating system, whether iOS or Android, fully up to date. T-Mobile provides carrier updates alongside OS updates that fix connectivity problems causing SOS only mode. For iOS devices, navigate to Settings, General, Software Update to check for updates. On Android devices, go to Settings, Software Update to find available updates. If software updates don't work, your SIM card might be the culprit. Incompatibilities between older SIM cards and newer phones or network configurations can trigger the SOS only mode. SIM replacements are often free through T-Mobile support. Contact them to get a new SIM card that works with your device. T-Mobile's app includes a built-in SOS fix feature. This tool can diagnose and attempt to resolve connectivity issues remotely. To access this feature, download or open the T-Mobile app and look for the Troubleshooting or Support section. If you've tried all the previous troubleshooting steps and still encounter SOS only mode, the issue might be related to T-Mobile's network coverage in your specific area. The first step is to check T-Mobile's outage map online. This map shows real-time reports of network issues across the United States, including areas with reported outages or connectivity problems. If you see outages in your area, contact T-Mobile's support team directly through their website or app. Use the Contact Us page to reach their support line for personalized assistance. When contacting support, be sure to provide your exact location. This helps T-Mobile's team perform targeted troubleshooting specific to your area's network conditions and potential coverage issues. T-Mobile is actively investing in 5G infrastructure and using AI to monitor and improve network reliability. While disruptions may still occur during network upgrades or mergers, experts predict these SOS-only issues will become less common with advancements in 6G technology and device certifications. Keep your T-Mobile app handy for updates and quick fixes.